Kain kayo. I have here fries from McDonald's and a burger inside. I bought ilang liters? 500 milliliters. Milliliters ba dapat? Ano kalahati ng liters? 0.5. Yun na lang. Oy, 0.5 liters of water. And I'm alone here in this area. Sinolo ko talaga to. Andun yung karamihan no, sa side na yun. Ayoko sa maraming tao. So, mas maganda dito. Kung hanggang anong oras ako dito, I don't know. The weather is really nice. Oh my God, there are 2 puppies down there. Can you see it? Can you see them? Oh, yan. Ayan sila. Para silang small lion. Puppies. Cutie. That's the mountain surrounding Almaty City. And okay.